up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl G.
It's your boy Santos.
And welcome back to the local game. Okay, so for today's video, we're going to be doing the airplane challenge, which one of you guys requested in the comments below. So basically...
Says time yourself at least 3 to 5 minutes how long you hold it with hands, and at least 3 to 5 minutes with no hands.
See how many leg presses can be done within a minute. Try it with one leg, and you can use hands or no hands. It's up to you to be able to hold it for at least 1 minute. Freestyle, impress me with your piloting skills, mix it up, do something fancy.
Let's see what's up.
Alright guys, let's get to it. You gotta put on a timer.
See how 3 right?
We'll do 3 minutes. We'll do 3 minutes for each one. Cause like, I don't know. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're gonna do with hands first. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh.
Is it all the way? Okay.
I think it's all the way.
Right.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, you're doing... I'm trying to stay on. I'm trying to stay on.
Oh, I'm trying to put it on my hand.
Okay. Like up, okay. It hurts my stomach.
I know. You don't get that?
No, just keep going. We gotta do it. This is a long 3 minutes, guys.
Tell me about.
Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Breathe, babe.
How long do we have?
No hands is gonna be horrible, bro. No! We had 1 minute and 30 left.
That's not bad.
That's not bad.
And I think we did like
Woo.
15 reps.
Whew.
So
I did
that's
break.
not bad. I mean, I did 15 reps.
Yeah, you did 15.
Yeah.
Guys. Alright. Okay. I know, we gotta you gotta plan it out, guys. Like,
I mean, it's gonna take us a bit and see
I
what
know.
minute we do. Man,
but it's okay. No, I think the one leg is for the presses, I think, no? So I think you just hold it with...
That one leg press, I think is 1 minute.
Right.
Yeah, that's
So
fine.
just hold it for 3 minutes, like,
I guess that one we'll try.
with no hands.
That one we can try.
Alright. I gotta
Okay.
use your legs. Okay, yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, you can grab around there.
I'm trying to push up. That's my plan.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. It's okay. No, that actually wasn't bad. Okay. Okay, wait, more down here. Okay, 1, 2. Oh wait, you gotta push me up. Okay. Oh. Okay. Hold it. Wait, I'm trying to get straight. Oh no! Wait, come on. Okay, what? 1, 2. No, I got no, that's okay. It's okay.
You
Wait.
gotta get balance on the bottom first.
Wait, you're too.
Okay, I'll let you.
Okay, wait. 1, 2. Oh, I almost threw myself. My bad. Okay. 3, 2. I'm trying to get up. Okay.
You okay?
No hands! No hands! No! How many minutes do we got? We got 1 minute left.
I could tell you about a phone.
I know! Oh my god.
I'm like, I knew as soon as I let you go.
That was a good one though.
You're not. But that's good to me.
Okay, last one before it goes out.
Okay, it's not alright.
No,
You should have been keeping going.
I know. 3, 2, 1. No, wait. Again. 3, 2. Push me up, bro. Push me up.
You gotta go back.
No! Shit! I can't move. Your legs.
Yeah, times 2. You got 10 seconds. Go.
Let's go.
See if we can.
Alright. 3. No, wait.
No.
Okay, go.
be
with one
fucked up
leg.
with one leg.
Yes, it does. Try it with one leg. And
Why?
you can use hands. No hands. Hold it
okay.
up to at least 1 minute.
My bad.
Yeah.
I don't see.
But we'll do one leg with hands. Where should I put it? I don't know. In the middle?
Like this, like cross.
Cross?
What's better for you?
Alright.
You tell me.
Cross, I think.
Depending on how you feel.
Cross.
Oh shit!
What
You
the
heavy as fuck.
He said I'm heavy as fuck.
Really, nigga?
Wait. No. Dang. Okay.
This one is hard.
This one's hard. This one's like crazy.
You're too heavy for this shit. No, it's not.
Alright, one. It's like on my chest. Hold on. There we go. Here we go. Go.
That was good enough.
Alright, guys. That was the little challenge that you guys requested to us. So, yeah, if you guys want us to do more, we'll always do your videos. So, I think this was fun. It was hard.
Yeah, I want to see you guys.
I know. I want you guys to do it. And, like, tag us, do whatever you got to do. And we hope you guys like this video. And we'll see you in the next one. Adios.
Bye, guys.